Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn how to identify the highlight features and platform requirements for the Ansys products prior to installation. Let's get started. The product highlights consist of a collection of documents that spotlight new features, beta features, and improvements in the current version. These can be accessed by going to the download portal and to the product specific pages as shown here. The product highlight document is organized for all the modules separately so the user can conveniently open and view the highlights for the target module they wish to review. Before the Ansys License Manager or Ansys applications are installed, it is important to understand the software platform requirements for smooth functioning of the software. Unsupported hardware or drivers could result in issues ranging from cosmetic glitches to software crashes. The PDF files below provide platform support information for the current Ansys release, including certification and test information for operating systems, graphics cards, job schedulers, and other platform components. Before installing Ansys License Manager, you can refer to this document under our installation guidelines to understand the network and machine requirements of your machine that is going to host Ansys floating licenses using Ansys License Manager. If you have a triad redundant server environment, please make sure that the 3 servers are in the same local network and are identical machines in terms of configuration, platform, etc. For Linux-based installations of Ansys, we would require you to go through a list of prerequisite libraries and install them prior to running the Ansys installation. You can refer to this list of libraries available under our online help ansyshelp.ansys.com under Installation, Installation Guide, Linux Installation, Platform Details, Required Linux Libraries. Depending on the specific flavor of your Linux OS, you can install the packages. Ansys offers some guidance on selecting your hardware for running Ansys applications. We have some hardware configuration examples for laptops, workstations, and HPC clusters in terms of CPU processor, RAM, hard disk memory storage, network interconnects, GPU, etc. We also have a list of HPC partners who can work with you to manage and provide HPC support for your computation requirements. If you wish to review the platform support for previous releases of Ansys, simply click on Previous Release under Support Data History. To summarize, we went through the importance of identifying highlight features and platform requirements prior to installing Ansys products. Product highlights are accessible through the download portal and are organized by module for convenience. Understanding platform requirements is crucial to ensure smooth functioning of the software, including tested and supported information for operating systems, graphics cards, job schedulers, and other platform components. Ansys offers hardware configuration examples and has a list of HPC partners for computation requirements. Users can refer to the installation guidelines and required Linux libraries for installation. That brings us to the end of this lesson.